Welcome to this PortaFact tutorial series. First video, create your account, discover the dashboard, and add your first client. Go to app.portafact.com. Fill in the sign-up form, company, name, email, and password. You can also continue directly with Google. The trial is free for 14 days, no credit card required. If you already have an account, simply sign in with your email and password. Here is your dashboard, revenue, unpaid invoices, and clients, with totals kept separate per currency. Let's add your first client, name, email, phone, and currency. Click Save. They're ready to be invoiced. That's it for this first video. In the next one, create a quote and turn it into an invoice.